Okay, here we go. Washing a car. No matter how long it's been or how I'm washing it or whatever, I always just kind of get it wet. I like to have all my stuff ready when I start, and I've almost got it all ready on this one. In fact, I've got a water blade right over there, so it is all ready. It should never be more than like a 15-20 minute thing. Even on a bigger car like this, it just does not take long to wash a car like this. These kind of cars can take a lot longer to wash. But this car's got a nice wax job on it. The whole deal. So, it's way hotter out than I want it to be when I'm washing a car. So I'm going to do the shaded side first. Instead of doing the top first, I'm just going to get this whole shaded side in front of the window. There is so much dust on my car. What a fun life, right? I got so much shit going on. And it is relaxing to do stuff like this. Even though I know I need some help to where I can deal with the things that I need to be dealing with. I'm supposed to be dealing with taxes. But at the same time, if I don't get some of this stuff washed, detailed, and pictured, I can't sell. And it's driving me nuts not being able to do it all. I like to do it all, but I got too much to do. So, someday soon, I'm gonna have to get some help. That's all there is to say about it. Now you can have your fancy foam cannons and all that good stuff, and they do a certain job. But at the same time, in a hot day like this, it's just not possible to get the wash job you want to get. And I'm gonna have to take out most of it in the wipe down with like a, you know, a quick detail type of a spray is the easiest way. And one thing you want to do on this is never, ever, ever let anything dry up. And I'm trying to do it in little sections and keep a track of where I am, where I know where I am. So, with that in mind, get that soap off there as fast as you can and keep the whole car wet. It's just the only way to do this kind of a deal out in the sun. As long as most of the soap is off, it ain't gonna streak too bad or nothing. And then you can bust tail squeegeeing it down and save yourself most of any trouble. But getting the whole thing washed in the sun, it's not a fun task. This top is so hot, especially on a black car. Ouch. And that's as much as I'm willing to go without getting that soap off there. You can tell it's already drying up. Just keep it wet and you'll be fine. And once the soap's off, most of the pressure for you is over. And I'm using a real soapy mix to begin with. And once you're doing stuff like this, you want to keep it all wet, like I've been saying. But at the same time, all means all. Even if you went over it, get it wet again because it puts soap all over everything. And you want to keep it all knocked off, or you're going to get some streaking. So, right now, I'm pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and glass dries fast with soap on it. Sometimes faster than metal. You know, the whole point about all this is be fast. Just be fast. That's all there is to it. Don't be slow. There's no need to be slow in anything. And right now, I'm being too slow, even though I'm being fast. Because it's drying, buddy. It's drying. As long as you keep that soap wet and off of there, it should be okay. And I know I've said it over and over. I'm just talking. Just talking. I put up a video of personal type stuff. And as anybody who subscribes knows, I've been having a run of personal crap. But that's not to say I ain't out here doing the same thing I always do. Twice as hard. Pour yourself into work. Other problems go away. Well, until nighttime. Okay, man, I'm done. And now I will, of course, go over the whole entire thing again. I don't know how long this took, but it's not very long. I don't even like to let this thing sit as long as I'm going to right here to run inside and get a towel. That's seriously how bad it is to do a black car in the sun. No idiot does that. Well, this idiot does. Okay, here we go. Water blade. If you don't have one of these, check the link and get one. I sell them. You'll love them. Okay, so I'm going to go over this side really quickly because it's sunny. Shares on the other side. You're old if you got that one. And the back is important here. And then we'll get the rest of the top. I wanted to do the other side right now, but it's just so quick to do this. And I think it'll be dry enough, wet enough, have enough water driplets to let me do what I need to do over there in a second. I hope at least. This gives you the quickest dry job possible. Nothing is as quick. Chamois, anything. Nothing works like this. Nothing's better. There'll be some water drips and stuff later, but it's gonna dry out pretty fast on a day like this. And it'll be a quick thing with some final detail type spray. If it takes 20 to 30 minutes to do the whole thing, it's amazing. And these guys I hire, they couldn't wash one of my cars in an hour, 2 hours, without me having to pretty much go over everything. That makes it not worth it. So, like I was talking about having some help, it's gotta be competent help. It's just gotta be competent help. These incompetent nincompoops have to stop coming around. Okay. What a beautiful car. What an awesome employee that just washed it so quickly, smoothly, and efficiently. If I had 3 guys like this guy, oh hell, give me a dozen. You could take over the world of cars. All right. We got some stuff. Done, done, done. Done and doner. Wheels take longer than almost anything else. But they also make a huge difference if you take the time to do your wheels. And it's funny how many people don't even take the time to clean their car when they're trying to sell it, let alone do their wheels. And the wheels are always, even when it's sat like this, gonna just have a little bit more grime on it. So I try and do them when I'm pretty much done with the detail job, to where any of the dirt and such doesn't get rubbed into the rest of the car. I do know this. This car is ready for pictures today. I'm gonna do that pickup truck too, the diesel F350. I'm gonna at least get it washed and ready. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going back to Ventura. I'm gonna try to talk to Anna a little bit. Yeah. I don't know if that's a good, healthy plan or not. We're actually talking now. What a fucked up situation for me. Okay, OneOwnerCarGuy. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. And this car is done.com. I think I'm actually gonna move some stuff around real quick. Oh, yeehaw. There we go. Haha, I knew I could get it out of it. Okay, boom. This and that. We're gonna move a couple around without running over as many things as we can. And yeah, time to do some changing. I gotta get that Mercedes out. Put a quick wash job on it. I'm gonna park that Beamer in here so I can get this out and wash that truck. And this is what I want to deal with right here. And a lot of the stuff on my lot is like this now, but I want to deal with something I can just go like this. So nice. Versus them Cadillacs, and basically everything behind those two Cadillacs is non-running. That's non-running, that's non-running. Everything else, that's non-running, the Beamer. But basically, I'm getting where most of the stuff runs now, which is a new place to be. It's a new place to be for me. This is a nice driving car. Very nice. So, boom. Now, if I want, I can pull that truck in and do whatever I need to do. If I do it, I think I'm gonna just like move it, move this out, move that in. Probably the best way. Moving cars.